Hi, Group 1. Here are your spelling words for your test. Your first word is star. I saw a bright star in the night sky. Star. Your next word is tire. The car had a flat tire, so we had to change it. Tire. Your next word is sting. While I was outside, I got a bee sting. Sting. The next word is sink. Please put your dirty dishes in the sink. Sink. The next word is tie. My dad put on a tie before going to work. Tie. Your last word is a surprise word. Your surprise word is 7. I counted 7 books in my book bin. 7.